Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. After a long time I am uploading a video here and wish you all a happy new year 2020. So first of all, this is not a coding video that I usually make. So this is regarding to a website we have launched few days back. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. So in this website we have added C, C++, Python examples, also hacker rank solutions. We have added Python and more solutions we added going forward, and we have video tutorials. We have added a very special features called code and earn, where you can contribute code and earn money. Thank you for watching. I have added the link in the description, so please visit and give feedbacks. Your feedbacks will be very helpful to make it even more better. Thank you.